What's up everyone? Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, I will show you how to replace the front turn signal in a 2014 Chevy Impala. The procedure is quick and easy and requires no tools. So let's get started. Step 1. Pull the hood release latch to open the hood. Step 2. Push the hood release lever to the right, then push the hood up to open it. Now it's time to change the light bulb. Prepare your new light bulb. The correct part is 7444NA. Now this is the light bulb that is out, on the right side. If you follow it to the back, it's the gray plug with the green and yellow wires. Step 3. Remove the plug. Looking at it from the back, rotate it counterclockwise till it stops. Then pull it straight out. From there, just pull the bulb straight out of the plug. Now reverse the process to finish the job. Get your new bulb and push it straight back into the plug. Insert the plug back into the housing at the same orientation as you removed it. Then rotate it clockwise until it stops. You should be all set. Activate the turn signal and verify that the turn signal works correctly. Then close the hood and button it up. So that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe, and drop any comments below. I'll see you in the next video.